This is so good. This is so relaxing, and at the same time, pain is good. Oh, ooh, this is good. This is good, good. So easy to use. As you can see over here, you just like put it on your shoulder. By the way, you can use it for your neck. You can use it for your shoulders. You can actually put it a little bit down if you want and apply some. Oh my God. Oh my. This is fantastic. You can apply some more pressure if you want, just like force it by your hand. So you're gonna actually be the one measuring how much and how deep you want it. And by the way, this one comes with multiple intensities and also heat. It comes with heat. Believe it or not, it comes with heat. So it kind of like works in that kind of, I want to say like that way, applying some heat, but oof, but also applying that pressure. As soon as you kind of like hit it, you hit the pressure you want, and that is when it works perfectly. Also, you can put it in your lumbar area if you want. You can put it kind of like in the lower back area if you want, just kind of like push it against your chair, and also that's gonna be that really nice massager. But let's take a closer look now, but just give me 5 more minutes, 3 more minutes. So this is what I'm talking about. This is just insane. By the way, it comes in multiple colors. It's kind of like a white one that looks really nice and this leatherish feel. And also, if you want to use it in your car, not while driving, of course, not while driving, but if you can hop on the passenger seat and use it in your car, you can also do it. I wish that the cable would be just a little bit longer, probably like 2, 3, 4 feet longer, because it's good, but it's not super long. And then you have this right here. This is what is going to give all the high intensity, the heat, and turn it on and off. So it's off right now. On, you can see that it also applies the heat. This one right here is going to turn on and off the heat. This one right here is going to be the intensity, or how fast you want it and how slow you want it. And this is going to actually turn it to the other way, which by default, it turns on the other way by itself. So it does kind of like one way first, and then after a few, I want to say like a few minutes, it goes to the other way around. Super easy to use. Of course, you have the handles over there, but the best thing is how good this one is. By the way, you can remove the whole cover and wash it if you need, kind of like this cloth over here. You can wash it if you want. But this one, it is by far one of the best one, if not the best one that I tried for your neck and your shoulders. I still need to try it for my lower back area, but I know that you can. This is fantastic. I'll give it a huge thumbs up. Recommended, 100% recommended.